welcome to our channel Fluent with Us, where we teach you German, Portuguese, English, Spanish and Swahili. And today we will go through words that you would use on an air travel, so on the plane, airport, in German. So the flight in German is called der Flug. Clouds, Wolken, sky, Himmel, seat number, Sitznummer, hand luggage, Handgepäck, belt, Gurt, cabin crew, Kabinenpersonal, stewardess, and a steward is the same in German as well. We say stewardess, steward. The blanket is die Decke, life vest, Rettungsweste, turbulence, turbulence, jet lag, also the same, we also say jet lag, transit, transit, seat number, Sitznummer, seat belt, Sicherheitsgurt, or you can say Sitzgurt, parachute, Fallschirm, airplane, Flugzeug, runway, Rennstrecke, landing, landen, to take off, abheben, or you could also say Abflug, snacks, also snacks, drinks, Getränke, the toilet would be die Toilette, and bathroom is Badezimmer. Ticket, you could also say ticket, passport, Reisepass, boarding gate, Flugsteig, check-in, stays also the same, check-in, airport, Flughafen, immigration officer. If it's a man, you would say Beamter der Einwanderungsbehörde. And if it's a woman, you would say Beamte, so without the R at the end. Beamte der Einwanderungsbehörde. Duty free, you could also say duty free, or you can say zollfrei. Domestic flights, Inlandsflüge. International flights, internationale Flüge. Entrance, Eingang. Exit, Ausgang. Hand or carry-on luggage, Handgepäck. ASO, Gang. Arrival, Ankunft. Departure, Abflug. Airport taxi, Flughafen taxi. Airport pickup, you could say Flughafen pickup, or you can say Flughafen Abholung. First class, erste Klasse, and executive would be executiv. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you are interested in getting one-on-one lessons with us, visit our website fluentwithus.com, or send a message on Facebook or Instagram at Fluent with Us.